Look at this girl. She going to put the chair in the middle of the walk like you're while we wait for the other girls.
Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in the scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. We're in life, now I'm up ready to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it.
So y'all, we had to park about 20 minutes away from the freaking beach. Look at my foot. Do y'all see my foot? I wasn't walking. Was y'all walking?
I wasn't walking. I saw it big.
Like,
It took 45 minutes to find a spot.
it really took too long to find a parking spot, and then all week I'm telling me, nah, get off your foot, get off your foot. But y'all want me to walk 27 minutes to the beach? I called the Uber. It be here in a minute. Y'all have fun. Look at Naya, you're ready for the beach. Ready for the beach. Look at this girl. She going to put the chair in the middle of the walk like you're while we wait for the other girls. I don't know where the other girls is at, but we got here in our little Uber. And he was lit. He loved us, and he was from Philly. North. He had that playing like I was, yeah. He was from Erie F to be exact, honey. She talking about some coming. Look. Riding slow as ever.
It's cold, bro.
It's cold, man.
Bro, it's cold. Let it hit.
It is cold, but it feels good.
Go cool, and I'm just getting started. They know how to move. Orders on orders, they know how to move. Bustin' that pack, going straight to the moon. Off the juice, acting loose. She a baddie, she show her panties. She shaking like jelly.
I just put up on the side. Ay, I let it get surprised. I'm on the program and closing my eyes. I can't even tell you nothing but you lie. I had to cut my ties. I can't even tell her nothing cause I cried. I just walk these stepping in these Louboutins. And she walked in.
Skip to me.
Oh, there we go. Ooh, oh. Well, give me something, girl, because they ain't asked you to wash their shit, or did they? Oh, well, come on. I mean, you're looking fruity. Yo, we at Chick-fil-A. Hold on, let me sit down. Yep. Yo, we at Chick-fil-A because they don't want to sit down and eat at a restaurant. Like, this is ghetto. Anyway, yeah. I'm at.
Jump like